Today's topic is a hope. What do you mean by hope? What it connotes, and what is the definition of hope? Hope is a very general term which may be defined or which may be interpreted in a very bright future, and this positivity, deleting the negativity despite some odds, living in the future, and even a positive transition from present to the future. And you see the bright side of the worldview. This, by and large, is a definition or interpretation of hope. Hope is very important aspect of human psychology, because when you have a hope, you can deliver, you can see through the future, you can see through the thick and thins, and you can overcome the challenges, and you can do sometimes wonders, having some hope. So there are so many people in this world, mainly who are dejected, who may be rejected by the society, and that we can call it those people who are leftovers by the society, which we can call it poor people, which are less privileged people. They are mainly thinking of hopeless people. So they are the main people who are to be targeted, who should be the target audience for this project of giving in hope to these people. So those people who are less fortunate, and there are so many people who are very fortunate enough. So those people who are fortunate enough, and those people who are less fortunate and who are left over in the system, they have very serious stakes in pursuing the good life and good society. So this is the only hope, that when these two segment of the society, less fortunate and the fortunate enough people, they synchronize their efforts for their good life, because both these segment of the society, they have stakes. If those people who are left over, they don't have this some minimum bare level of fortunes, then they may revolt, being a hopeless person, and even this endangering those people who are fortunate enough. So therefore, both these segment of the society, the less fortunate and more fortunate people, they have serious stakes both in the good life. And number two, the main thing is younger generation. The hope is mainly concentrating on this younger generation. Younger generation are very fertile, very bright people. They are thinking through these odds, and they have this thinking of better future, better positivity. So these are two main things. I see the hope in these two things: the synchronization of the less fortunate people with the fortunate peoples for the good life in a society. And number two is the younger generation, very bright, very fertile mind, and they can see through things for the better future, and very hopeful people. These hopeful people, they can lead the society through these times. When you don't have an hope, then there will be a clinical death of the society, of an individual. There is a very important saying that we talk about every time the hopeless people, the damning people, and time and again we are talking about this bad times, hard times, but time is that what we are. We make the time, and so is the time, so is our fortune, and so are we, so are the times. So this is very important, that we can rather direct the times, not the time should direct us to go about the things. So this is very important, that we should discover ourselves, and we should go beyond the time and space for the hopeful things, hopeful individuals, and hopeful society. That is very important. Thank you very much.